This is the introduction on how to make the core of Jar to Happiness. This Arduino Micro is the core of Jar to Happiness. When connecting to the computer, remember to press your USB connector to prevent breaking off while connecting. Now plug your micro USB into the connector. We can see the computer has already detected this Arduino Micro as connected. Next, open your Arduino IDE and open our code. Choose Tools, Board, Arduino Genuine Micro. Then choose Tools, Serial Port COM5. Press Verify to check if there are any syntax errors. If it shows Done Compiling, it means our syntax is correct. Choose to upload onto this Arduino Micro. And we are done after it shows Done Uploading. Now, we are going to introduce how to solder your microswitch to Arduino. First, solder a wire to point A, then solder it to the GND pin on the Arduino. Then solder another wire to point B, then solder it to pin 2. Next, we'll put the finished microswitch and Arduino in Model 2. Hear a click sound to confirm your USB cable is properly secured onto Model 2. The same goes for the microswitch. Hear the click sound to confirm. Then apply hot glue to the parts that are soldered to prevent it from oxidation. After applying hot glue, fasten Model 3.1 onto Model 2, then fasten Model 3.2 onto it. In Model 1 back, align the dented dot on Model 1 with the raised dot on Model 2. When finished aligning, push down Model 1 to finish. Here we can see how the final project looks like. We can match it with a cup with a hollow bottom. Secure it onto the base to finish the assembly. It can also be matched with different sizes of cups. Remove the upper cup to take out the stuff in the cup quickly. There are 3 shapes on the lid, one for spheres, one for triangular prism, and one for coins. Plus, we also provide Model 5, designed it to be used easier for children with cerebral palsy.